What's going on, everybody? 618 Sports Cards back on a Sunday here, rainy Sunday. We are going to do some Topps 2019 Pro Debut. See if we can't find something good. For 2 autographs and 2 members, so 4 hits total. Let's kind of set this up a little bit. We'll just start with this whole side here. Alright, let's get going. Alright, first up here. Francisco Lindor. Obviously, that's Connor Scott, Ryan Costello. Alright, 1 pack down. Now, I don't know much about the Pro Debut cards, so if you guys watch this video and I miss something, a good player, or, somebody that I should be on the lookout for, please let me know in the comments. I'd appreciate it, because I'm not too, I guess I could look them up, but Mason Martin. Hope everybody's having a good Sunday, ready for to get back to work. Always look forward to Mondays. I like these cards. I like the feel of them. I like the way they look. A Joey Bart. I don't have a whole lot to talk about today. It's just been raining non-stop for like a week. See if we gonna be getting into an auto pretty shortly. There's a Wander Franco. See, hopefully we could catch a Wander Franco auto. That would be nice. I bought a couple, I think 8 of these packs on a break the other night, and I ended up with a Tim Tebow relic and an auto, but I can't remember who the auto was. I have to wait till it comes in the mail. One more pack for the right side, and we'll just keep on going, middle and on over. I just sorted a whole jumbo case of Topps Series 2. Got it all boxed up, separated rookies, future stars, short prints, all that stuff I missed. Did all that today. Sunday day for sorting. We took a break from sorting to rip some packs open. Still got Gypsy Queen and another Topps Series 2. I'll probably do the Series 2 next, I'm not sure. Alright. And I'll keep all these in my personal collection, so if I hear some names in the coming years, I'll be able to go back and Alright, this one feels like a relic. This one feels pretty thick. Yeah. Congratulations. You have a Michael. What do we got here? Stencils used in the field art. Okay. Fragments of the farm. Not sure what that is, but it's a hit nonetheless. So that's one hit. Top pack of the middle. Alright, now let's see if we can't catch an auto shortly. It looks like we're gonna have maybe an auto. It is a Dustin May 76 of 99. Oh, never mind, not an auto. Just the numbered card. I thought it was going to be the auto. Set that off to the side. Eight cards per pack. What is that? Garbage plate night? Eagle Horner, I got one of his cards that is numbered. I believe it's a top, I think it's a chrome. Okay, so they got 3 more hits out of 2, 3, 4. There's an Eloy Jimenez on the back. A Nolan Gorman. An Eloy Jimenez. And a Mitch Keller. Mitch Keller, that's our second hit. Nice little on-card auto. Numbered 49 of 50. We'll set that right there. 49 of 50. DL Hall. I'm not sure if the Franco or Jimenez or Nolan Gorman, just base cards, I guess, are worth anything at all. I'll probably hold on to Nolan Gorman. Guerrero Jr. Be nice for an auto of Eloy or Vladdy or Gorman. All of them would have been nice autos. Wishful thinking though. Yeah, a lot of these guys I have not heard of yet, but hopefully one day we will. Alright, this is the last stack. Tatis Jr. There's something about the sound of ripping packs open. Austin Riley, that's one to hold on to. A lot of good cards so far with Jimenez and Tatis and Austin Riley, Vladdy Jr. Cards are slick. Yeah, that's pretty nice. So we got 2 more hits left and 5 packs. Unless there's a hit in this one. All right. A Joe Adell. All right, well, 4 packs left and 2 hits. Here's one coming up. I'm pretty sure it feels like that. Yeah, this is another relic. Tommy Romero. A piece of the batter's eye. Another Fragments of the Farm. Piece of a batter's eye. And a Griffin Canning. Alright, 3 more packs. And then this will be over with. It's Pete Alonso. So it don't look like I'm gonna get the big autograph. But I did get some pretty nice cards from some guys that are making a name for themselves in the bigs. Whether it's popularity or actually, you know, playing up to what their potential are. Austin Riley, he's a real good one, and Pete Alonso, I mean, what can anybody say about him? I think he's got 26 home runs. He's putting on a pretty good first half for a rookie. I don't care if the balls are juiced or not, it makes for interesting and fun baseball. Last pack, and we've got 1 hit. So this is gonna be, hopefully, this will be our hit. Hopefully I didn't get snubbed on one of the hits. I would think that was highly unlikely, but nope. Uh-oh, I already gave it away. Tried to be sneaky. And an Alek Thomas. That's a nice little signature there. Not numbered. All right, well, that is 2019 Pro debut from Topps. Like the way the cards look. Did get, I'll go back here real fast. Did get the Pete Alonso, Austin Riley, Tatis Jr., Vladdy Jr., Eloy Jimenez, Nolan Gorman, and Wander Franco. So, not bad for some base cards there. Well, until next time, everybody have a good one. And like I said, it could be we could do some Gypsy Queen next. Or I can just go ahead and get the Series 2 out of the way. If you guys watch this before my next video is up, let me know what you want. You know, if you want the Topps Series 2 or the Gypsy Queen. And I do have one silver pack I'll open when I open this Series 2. Alright, until next time, everybody have a good one. And we will see you later.